because you have these platforms that give you some sort of freedom to express your anger. Does it mean that your sensitivity should be out there for everyone to see? Are we being too sensitive is the question. Mukesh Tyagi?
Not at all. We are not sensitive at all. I am one of the biggest advocate of cinematic. Not at all. I am one of the biggest supporter of cinematic liberties and expression. But if your intentions are foul, if your intention, there is a design behind your intention, then your creativity has to be seen with the myopic eye, with the jaundice eye. And what I see in Tandav, the way Shiv has used this word, what the F, that itself shows a very derogatory intention to look down upon. And there is a selectivism. You see Hindu-phobic sentiment so predominant that narrative has been consistently reflected in most of the movies, and Hinduism is such a tolerant religion that it allows all the people to criticize, crush, but now the time has come, time up now, that you have become selective. When it comes to other religion, you are extremely reticent, you are extremely conscious about the fact that you do not offend others, other religions, but you are absolutely reckless. And therefore, my question is, allow the cinematic liberties, but now if you continue to execute your political or divisive agenda, then they need to come under very, very heavy regulations. Otherwise, this OTT platform will become agent of promoting Hindu, Muslim, lower caste and higher caste. There is one dialogue when the girl is saying, when the guy is saying that if you want to take, अगर आपको प्रतिशोध लेना है तो छोटी जात की लड़की अगर लड़का जो है बड़ी जात की लड़की से शादी करता है तो वो एक प्रकार का प्रतिशोध है. You are contaminating the very pristine concept of love. So there are number of issues which this Tandav is trying to create. So it is a cocktail of maybe some international design which is prompting them to do that.
All right. So there's an international
reflection of leftism.
Okay.
That azadi, tukde gangs to.
Okay, all right. So there is a bigger conspiracy. I want to know from Ashwini. Ashwini, what do you make of this? Is there a larger conspiracy? Does this medium need to fall under the purview of law? Do they need to self-regulate, as has been recommended by the government as well? And lastly, are we also being too sensitive? Let's not forget that the series Mahabharata was in fact the screenplay for it was